Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. Friends, in this video I will be sharing very beautiful hand embroidered as well as machine embroidered 3D face mask designs. The beauty of this video is that I am sharing very beautiful face masks worn by models or some people, and then a detailed view and designing of the embroidered masks have been shown in some initial designs, so that you could get amazing and more understandable ideas that how these masks would look onto your face, friends. And one more thing, the beauty of this video is that these mask designs are very easy to make. They are very lightweight. The embroidery patterns are very easy, and yet very easy embroidery stitches have been used to make them, so that every embroidery beginner, every embroidery starter, every embroidery lover could make them, could arrange them, or even persons who don't know how to embroider, they can easily get themselves these masks by paying some little amount of money to the professional embroidery artist, and could have and enjoy the perks of having designer style hand embroidered as well as machine embroidered face masks. So friends, I hope you like my video and you would get very amazing and creative styling ideas. And if you have some more broader view of designs, or you want some more designs which you were not able to get from this video, then kindly go to my channel's playlist face masks, and on that playlist you would get an amazing and exquisite variety, quality and design ideas in a wide range. I would say thousands of designs are there, and keep enjoying and getting designer style ideas and design your masks by sitting at home, by utilizing your leisure time, free time activities into a very creative and effortful activity. So thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay tuned, keep watching my content, keep loving my content, keep supporting me like this. Take care, goodbye. We will soon be back with you along with some new designs.